Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about how you can fix this incoming call problem when I just call someone and my voice not is not coming from someone's phone. How you can fix this in Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open settings, swipe down, here it is apps, click on apps, click on manage apps, and friends here you have to first type system like this, and then you have to clear cache all this Android system like this. Clear cache this and click on Android system web view. Clear cache this and you have to clear cache all of this, and then you have to search here phone like this. Here it is. You have to clear the data and clear the cache of this, and now your setting will be reset now and your voice is coming for them. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.